The easiest real money games to stick with are usually the ones you can play for a few minutes at a time, instead of spending hours learning complicated mechanics. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that are well suited for casual players who want straightforward gameplay and real cash or reward opportunities. The first pick is Solitaire Cash. If you've played traditional solitaire before, you'll recognize the gameplay almost immediately. You enter matches, play short rounds, and move on without learning a completely new game. That makes it one of the easiest options for casual players. Second is Bingo Cash. Instead of fast reactions or complicated controls, you're matching numbers on bingo cards while competing against other players with similar skill levels. The rounds are quick enough to fit into a lunch break or while waiting in line. Third is Blackout Bingo. It builds on the same familiar bingo format but adds a little more strategy without making the game difficult to understand. If you enjoy classic bingo, the learning curve is minimal. The fourth recommendation is Rewarded Play. Rather than focusing on one game, it rewards you for trying different supported mobile games. Casual players can download a game that matches their interests, play for short sessions, and continue earning points toward available gift card rewards. The fifth app is Misplay. Android users often choose Misplay because it recommends games based on what you enjoy playing. Instead of forcing yourself to stick with one title, you can explore different casual games while earning rewards over time. One advantage of casual games is that they're easier to fit into your daily schedule. You don't need to memorize complicated controls, build large teams, or commit to hour-long sessions just to make progress. That makes it much easier to stay consistent if you're only playing during short breaks. Before spending money on any real money competition, spend some time with the free gameplay or practice modes if they're available. That gives you a chance to learn the mechanics before deciding whether competitive play is right for you. To recap, Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, Rewarded Play, and Misplay are all solid choices for casual players because they focus on simple gameplay instead of steep learning curves. Choose the game style you already enjoy, whether that's cards, bingo, or casual mobile games. You'll usually have a better experience when the gameplay feels familiar from the start. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money games and reward apps available in 2026.